Hello everyone, welcome back to Fair Reactions TV 2.0. My name is Dede. Today I'm going to do Game of Thrones Season 3 Episode 9. And I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited because I think this is the episode that Arya is going to be reunited with her family. And just the reunion of that, I just cannot wait for it. But before we get started, if you would like to help support the channel, please visit the link down below to Patreon. I would appreciate it. So, let's get started. Okay, here we go.
It's dangerous.
If we take Tywin's castle from him, the Lords of Westeros will realize he's not invincible.
Why are you telling me?
Oh my goodness.
You begged me not to send Theon to negotiate with his father, and I ignored your advice.
Oh, he's listening to someone for once.
We have enough men?
If Walder Frey cooperates.
If Walder Frey cooperates.
He's not. He's going to betray them.
Show them how it feels to lose what they love.
Oh my gosh. This is going to be big. I just feel it. If he take over their land, their castle, it's going to change everything. This early though, season 3, I don't know if this is going to happen.
My honored guests, be welcome within my walls and at my table.
I have come to make my apologies, my lord, and to beg your forgiveness.
Don't beg my forgiveness, Your Grace. It wasn't me who spurned, it was my girls. One of them was supposed to be queen. Now none of them are. This is Arya, my daughter Walder, my granddaughter Werther.
Oh. You don't know their
Walder.
names?
And here's my youngest daughter, Sheree.
Oh no.
Though she hasn't bled yet.
My ladies, all men should keep their word, kings most of all. The fault is not with you. Any man would be lucky to have any one of you. I did what I did not to slight you, but because I loved another.
Very good.
I'm nervous. Excited,
There she is.
but nervous.
Come closer. Let me have a look at you. Very pretty. Prettier than this lot, that's for sure.
Oh,
Very shapely as well. Oh, you try to hide her under that dress. When I was your age, I'd have broken 50 oaths to get into that without a second thought.
put up with it. Put up with it.
Well, let's get ready. The wine will flow red, and the music will play loud, and we'll put this mess behind us.
Okay. I'm still worried about the Melisandre baby, though.
This is where we enter the city. Very few guards. They know me. They let me inside.
We're not gonna sneak an army through a back gate.
I kill the guards.
Or perhaps you lead Grey Worm and me to the slaughter, cutting the head off our army. The masters of Yunkai will pay you your fee and you won't have to split it 3 ways because you've already slaughtered your partners.
You have a very suspicious mind.
Yes, I do too.
In my experience, only dishonest people think this way.
Oh, no, that's not true. Just highly suspicious people.
Odaban, Squadras, Trezikido.
Oh, I hope so.
You leave tonight?
You can use an extra sword. You're the Queen's guard, Sir Barristan. Your place is by the Queen.
Jorah, he better come back. I believe that's his name, Jorah. They just said his name and I messed it up already, probably. I don't know.
It's got a secret sally port, the Black Gate, as old as the wall itself, if one knows how to find it, which just so happens I do.
Sam, y'all better hurry up and find somewhere to go before nighttime come, because that's when things go down.
Looked upon the wall and lived. Here we are. Alive.
For now.
Remember what happens to children who run. I'm your father, and I'll do the talking.
Gotta get this salt pork to the twins in time for the wedding. Many thanks.
Don't! Don't kill him! A real hard man you are.
More than anyone you know.
You're wrong. I know a killer. A real killer.
That's so?
Yeah.
You're very kind. Someday it'll get you killed.
It better not. Okay, it's better than him dying. Hey.
It's good land and there's no war up here. Why leave?
Wildlings. Sorry. But they come over the wall and raid, steal, carry off women.
There's a storm coming.
I don't see any.
It's as good a place to shelter as any.
He's selling horses. He's got some gold in there. And proper steel. Let's carve him up.
We just take the horses and go. The old man's no threat.
I keep telling you, killing crows in their castle is tough. Killing them out there in the open, that's what we do.
Spread out. Surround the hut.
I want to kill that old man.
Ygritte!
Come on, just make it over there. Please hurry up to go.
Don't worry, they're still there.
I know they're still there.
You check every 5 minutes like you're afraid they're gonna move.
I'm not afraid.
Of course you are. You're almost there.
Maybe when she make it, something bad is going to happen.
I knew fear when I saw it in you. You're afraid of fire.
Mm-hmm.
When Beric's sword went up in flames, you looked like a scared little girl.
Oh. She's calling you out.
And I know why, too.
Mm-hmm. In the first season.
They're just over the river. Closest you've been to family since Ill and Pain snipped your daddy's neck.
Someday, I'm gonna put a sword through your eye and out the back of your skull.
Oh. She means it.
Take us 2 months to get to the Bay of Seals.
And climb straight up the ice.
Even Hodor's not strong enough to climb the wall with me on his back.
Hodor!
Wildlings.
Hodor!
Hodor, calm down.
Hodor!
No, please. Well, this is going to be a good thing because Jon is seeing his brother. Oh, his eyes. This show and the chills. Why did that just give me chills? Like, for real. He put him to sleep.
What did you do? Nothing. I don't know.
Your brother is right outside of there.
I heard shouting up there. Thunder.
Maybe Jon will go up there, see them, hug them, tell them to stay there and be quiet.
You understand. Let me stand at least. Let me go with a bit of dignity. Make the crow kill him.
You're a warg, Bran. It's in your blood.
A wall.
I can't.
You just did with him. A wolf is nothing compared to that.
He's a crow.
Kill him.
No. Oh, no. No.
Do it. They'll find us if you don't.
Come on, Bran. Come on. Come on. We need you now. Come on. Come on. Ooh, that's freaky. Thank you so much for watching part 1. Part 2 is coming up right after this.